Hey guys, welcome to bestsublimation.tv. I'm Katrina. Today let me introduce our new 80 tumbler heat press 2-in-1. It includes two heaters, both of them are 270mm height. The large one is suitable for 7.2 to 8.8 cm drum well, such as 16, 20, 30 ounce stainless steel skinny tumblers, 11, 15 ceramic mugs, beer tumblers, large can-shaped glasses, and mason jars. The small one can print some trendy 70-ounce slim glasses tumblers, print glasses, can-shaped glasses, and color bottle, and 6 to 7.1 cm drum well. Now let's see how it works.